Got it set at 36 miles per hour. Look at this. That's it. That's all you got, baby. That's it. You can't go no faster unless you take it off. There you go. This Hayabusa has so much to offer. Which bike do I like riding between this and a Harley? The Busa, baby. The Busa.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So today we're doing the active speed limiter. The active speed limiter on the 2022 Hayabusa. So before we go out on the street, so I can show you guys exactly how this works, this is what we're gonna do. Basically, let me key it on. Okay, so you see that it's keyed on, okay? So now, to get in this display where you want to set the speed limiter, you're gonna hit this button right here, okay? This is the button, okay? You push this button, the same button for the cruise control. So let me show you. So now you got the gearing neutral. So I hit the button, and this is what you want to see. This is going for the active speed limiter. So what you're going to do, you have to set it, okay? Hopefully my finger, where it says set, right now it's not ready to go. So if you think it's going to be active, it's not. What you have to do, you have to hit the mode button. This button right here. You will see when I get on the street. So you're going to push the mode button. Well, let me just show you this. If you hold the mode button down, it's going to turn green. That's for your cruise control, okay? You don't want to be in that. Not for active speed limiter. You want to get out. So you want to hold it down. And also, let me just put this on here too. This is going to set your speed, either high or low, okay? And basically it's controlling the throttle body. So if you can see this, so the speed, this is you setting speed. And you can set it from 25 to 125, okay? So there you go. All right, we're gonna take this out on the road so you can actually see how it works instead of me just talking about it here in the toy factory, AKA my garage. We're gonna take it out on the road and you'll see how this works. This is another thing you gotta watch out. These leaves will leave you, get it, in a bad way if you don't pay attention, because you will slip and fall. All right. We're gonna get a stretch of road out here, and it's getting chilly. It was nice earlier today, but hey, I want to cover this active speed limiter. So let me pull over and I'm going to show you the difference here. So as you can see, we're in user 1, okay? It's set right here. The speed is set at 28 miles per hour, okay? You set it by hitting this button right here. Same button that we use for the cruise control, okay? Now the way you're gonna set this, it has to say set. It has to be highlighted. Set has to be highlighted. You're gonna highlight it by the mode button right here. All right, here we go. It's set. If you don't see that, you can't activate the active speed limiter, okay? So we got it set at 28 miles per hour, which is slow. But right now it's not set, as you can see. So we should be able to rip a little bit. Here we go. So you see it wasn't set. Now we got a stoplight here. So what you're gonna do not hold the mode button, just push it like this. See? On, off. So now it's set at 28 miles per hour. So when I take off, I shouldn't be able to go faster than 28 miles per hour. In fact, let me set it a little bit higher. So I'm not, we're gonna set it at 36 miles per hour. Now you notice before when I took off, I'm going, so here we go. Okay, I'm squeezing the mess out of this throttle. And guess what? I'm not going any faster than that. Look, so it's working. Let me put on my hazards so none of these idiots from Chicago will hit me while I'm trying to demonstrate this. So I'm giving it gas. You can see. And look, I can't go any faster. Took it off, and I'm Gucci, as my son would say. There you go, active speed limiter. Active speed limiter. There you go. I ain't even looked up. Woohoo! Shots fired. Let's hear it again. Now, with that active speed limiter, okay, right now it's not going to be active because you don't see the set highlighted. You can set it from 25 to 125 miles per hour. Okay. Now why do you need this? Well, hey, who knows? Maybe you got a good friend of yours, you know, they can ride a bike, but they probably can't ride too well. So you're like, you know what, let me just set it for 50 miles per hour, okay? And then they're gonna be like, man, that bike is slow. Be like, yeah. You probably won't ask me to ride it either anymore because you say it's slow, and you can go tell all your friends it's slow. So, but then when I do run up on them, guess what? Oh, it's gonna be taken off. And they're gonna be like, the bike's not slow, you just slow. That's what they're gonna say. So anyway, I hope you guys and girls got something out of that. All you gotta do is push the mode button. That's all you got to do. Push the mode button. All you got to do. See? Watch this. Set. Not set. And to get out of that mode, you push this button, same button for the cruise control. Only different with the cruise control is that you want to hold the mode button down to get that thing highlighted green.